Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling the creamy base so flavors marry evenly. Combine 1 cup mayonnaise with 1/2 cup sour cream in a bowl, whisk to a smooth texture. Add 2 tablespoons vinegar and 1 teaspoon mustard to balance fat with acid. Once combined, season lightly with 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a few grinds of pepper. This builds depth. Make sure to taste now so adjustments later are minor. Stir in a splash of milk if you want thinner consistency. Once your base is ready, you add it to shredded cabbage and carrots gradually so you control saturation. Fold dressing in with tongs rather than stirring vigorously. That preserves crisp texture. If the mixture seems stiff, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time until it becomes silky. This prevents a runny result. Taste after each small adjustment and tweak vinegar or sugar. Acid brightens, sugar rounds bitterness. Make sure to cold chill the slaw for at least 15 minutes so flavors integrate and the texture firms slightly. You finish by chilling the coleslaw cream to let flavors marry and the cabbage soften slightly. 30 to 60 minutes is ideal. Before serving, give a final stir and correct seasoning. Vinegar brightens, salt sharpens, and a pinch of celery seed adds classic aroma. If your slaw turns soggy, drain excess liquid and fold in a small handful of fresh shredded cabbage or add a spoonful of mayo to rebind. If it tastes flat, boost acid or salt incrementally and then taste again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.